Hi guys, this is Vibhuti and welcome back to my channel and in my bedroom. This video is all about a major declutter of my cupboard and reorganizing the things. I am not putting any effort to fetch any different piece of clothing क्योंकि मुझे जो टॉप पहनना है वो मुझे कबर्ड में मिल नहीं रहा है. So उसकी वजह से I'm only utilizing the clothes that are right in front of me. Let me show you what my cupboard looks right now and we'll do a before and after. So I have two sections of my cupboard. One is this one and another one is this one right here. I have this huge problem of collecting things which I find cute. But have I ever used it? No. Every single compartment in my room has something in it and guys, I have not even used it. So I am taking out all the clothes and getting rid of it which I have not worn from past 6 months and I'm going to keep it in a separate bag to donate them. This is the challenge for today and I hope I don't get exhausted. So wish me luck. I have taken out all the clothes that were on hanger and kept it on my bed. Now from my t-shirts, I'm only taking the ones that I want. Rest I have kept aside in a different bag. I'll be folding them nicely and keeping all the white t-shirts and tops separately in a different pile. So whenever I want to wear any white t-shirt or top next time, it will be easier for me to find it only from the white pile. At this point, I'm feeling having so many clothes have a huge impact on environment, on human labor and in your core self and especially in your closet. Guys, I have so many clothes which I have not even worn and the money and energy that I have used for buying those, it's all wasted because it's eventually going in a donate box. And the sad part is I have not even worn or used them. I love this t-shirt but it has to go. I was too lazy to try on clothes and currently I've just completed half of my cupboard and one entire section is still pending. In 2025, I have promised myself to live a more simpler life with less rush, less clutter and less stress while achieving more balance. While cleaning and organizing my cupboard, I have realized that there is so much more to learn and let go of things. So I am embarking on a minimalism journey while adapting the concept of less is more to live more richer and fulfilling life. This is just one portion of my cupboard which I have settled till now and it has my summer clothes. I still need to fix my winter clothes and this entire pile is what I have taken out till now. Now the second issue is that मुझे अपने winter clothes सारे cupboard में ही रखने पड़ते हैं because मैं US लेवर जाती हूँ और उसकी वजह से whatever month I am flying I still need to carry a hoodie with me. तो बार बार bed box खोल के hoodie निकालना मेरे बस की बात तो है नहीं. So I'm going to put all my hoodies and sweaters in this compartment and I've already taken out the ones that I'm not gonna wear और जो मैंने अभी तक पहने भी नहीं और जो मैं आगे पहनूंगी भी नहीं. So I'm glad that I've reached this point. अभी सिर्फ एक ही सेक्शन बचा है, टॉप मोस्ट सेक्शन जिसमें मेरे सारे फॉर्मल क्लोथ्स हैं और अभी इस टाइम पे निकालते वक्त मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसमें क्या कचरा रखा हुआ है. आई डोंट इवन नो कि मैंने ऊपर कौन से जैकेट्स और कौन से टॉप्स ठूस के रखे हुए हैं और निकालते वक्त मुझे रियलाइज हो रहा है कि अच्छा हाँ मेरे पास तो ये वाला जैकेट भी है जो मैंने इमेजिन पूरे विंटर्स पहना ही नहीं है. Buying clothes have always given me happiness, but not anymore. Looking at my clothes right now made me realize that this year I'm only going to buy things that I actually need, not picking up everything that I fancy the way I used to. Impulsive buying तो बिल्कुल भी करनी ही नहीं है, which will actually help me to keep my space less cluttered, more breathable and allow me to appreciate the things that I have. So this is the end of the video guys. I hope you liked watching it and this video also gave you a motive to go and clean your space.